Welcome to the Point.
Is there a will for the government to act, not protect?
50 years later, we have no government.
Pakistan is the only country which adopts population to be the only measure and criterion.
KTN brought this program also to be able to carry the voice of Sindh beyond to Islamabad.
The civil society women have failed to do is that they have not been able to mobilize a massive number of women.
Increase the number of elected women in the assembly.
Elevation of poverty, this is the one thing.
The best exercise of power is the least exercise of power.
Parliament is totally redundant.
Mind you, force never resolved the East Pakistan issue.
You have to have a control over the harshness of the police.
Sensible is a word that doesn't exist in the vocabulary.